In today's tutorial, you're going to see methods to deep clean your toenails to reveal what is causing suspected ingrown toenail pain to help you give a pedicure at home. People often confuse pain on the sides of the toes as ingrown toenails, but oftentimes you just need a deep toenails cleaning to remove all the buildup skin to provide relief. And I'm going to show you how to do that and share another special on the Angel Foot File, so stay tuned. It's soft, isn't it?
Perfect.
It feels silky. Right off the bat, I'm going to share this week's special. When you buy the Callus Eliminator and the Large Pro Angel Foot File, you get a free Meticulous Manicurist applicator brush.
I'm actually going to go back and get my license. I recently had bariatric surgery.
Okay.
So it was really bad for me, like standing on my feet. But I've been done probably since 2003.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been
you
doing
gotta
hair
go
like
back.
forever.
Yes, you need to get your license.
Yeah.
My client's nails have gotten quite long, but she is working on being able to reach them better, and I'm so happy for her that she has already lost 100 pounds. Being on her feet combined with the pressure from the excess skin buildup around her toes is pretty uncomfortable. Wow.
Once I get finished with my weight loss and I'm comfortable.
Before I attempt to trim her nails, her feet have been soaking in a warm foot bath with a foot soak that contains natural antimicrobial ingredients to help soften the nails and sanitize her feet. Adding the cuticle remover to the nails also helps soften them so it is easier to trim them. I'm also using the toenail nippers that come in the pedicure kit on my online store.
Why do you like nippers to put toenails instead of?
Because I have a video about that.
Okay.
But when you insert the tip of this
Uh-huh.
and squeeze, the toenail doesn't bend. But if you insert a pair of toenail clippers and squeeze, the toenail goes like this. And then you get all kinds of cracks and splits, like long ways. Oh look, I chipped a nail and I didn't fix it. Well, you could moisturize it so when it gets dehydrated, it'll start to curl in too. You got to get your nail walls to go back outwards a little bit.
I was watching that video of you last night with the man who clipped the person's toenail.
Oh, with the toe bro?
Oh. I don't know how you did it. It was so hard.
Nothing grosses me out.
I was
Nothing.
like, oh. It just
Nothing.
looked like it's so painful.
Well, he numbs them.
No?
Yeah,
So painful.
he numbs them. I'm using the Meticulous Manicurist stainless steel file to smooth and shape the edges of the nails. This file is easy to care for at home, and in the next few weeks I'll be uploading a tutorial on how to take care of all of your tools so there's no cross-contamination between members of your household.
And I know that it can't hurt because I don't ever see nobody like
Flinch.
Mm-mm.
Do you know about the random comment game I play on my channel? To win one of the tools I use in my videos, all you have to do is leave me a comment. You can just say hello, tell me what you learned, or even what your favorite part of the video was. Everyone that leaves a comment is entered into a drawing, so be sure you're subscribed so you get the winner notification. And I would also really appreciate it if you would click the thumbs up to like the video and share the video to help others find my channel. I have so much to be thankful for with people like you who are willing to help me grow my channel. And one of the comments will also be chosen for my Comment Hall of Fame on my Instagram. Oh yeah. So I'll make it a little bit like an optical illusion because of how it's a little bit tall right here. and I'll just thin the tip of it a little.
Okay. My mama gave me these toenails. All her watch.
She has the same one.
Yes, our toenails go up in the air like that. And then I feel like when that one gets kind of long and my shoe press moves it, I feel like it makes it flatter on one side.
Mm-hmm.
Such a weird thing.
I do right now. This is colored acrylic I have on right now.
Okay. That cuticle oil is like real cute.
Well, this is just a cuticle remover. There's no oil in it.
Oh, but I love those.
Oh yeah. Do you use tools like this?
Yes, I went and got a tool like that one with the, actually the same kind of one like the one you have here now. But I didn't see like the sidewalk.
Have you ever gone to my online store?
Yep.
We
I went
sell.
and looked in there, and I went and looked in there when I saw the file that you use.
Mm-hmm.
Because I feel like having metal implements is like better.
Yep. You can
And you can
clean them in
sanitize them all
between.
the time.
Yep.
They actually good for working.
They do. I just laugh when I think back when I was in school and they said, "Oh, cotton-tipped orange wood stick." And you're like, "What?"
And I feel like even when you kind of oranges and stuff like it's just nasty.
How are you supposed to remove anything with a cotton-tipped orange wood stick?
Right when I got ready to take my second
People use other methods of giving pedicures, but personally I could not give a pedicure without soaking the feet first. When you first look at someone's feet, there is no way to tell how much excess skin is around their toes, under their nails, or embedded in their sidewalls. Here, I'm using the stainless steel cuticle pusher that comes in the pedicure kit to remove the first layer of skin. And when you want a deep cleaning, you're going to put your foot back in the foot bath so more of the excess skin comes off. Have you ever printed the bulletin? Yeah, I'll give you a copy of it before you leave. It tells you everything you have to do. Are you getting your full cause license or just your nail?
No, I'm getting my full cosmetology license. And then I want to go back for just some different continuing education classes. But now it's like stiletto nails, pumpkin nails. I just want to go
Right.
all the I just feel like it's full, like, taking clips and they do with fresh clips.
Right.
So I feel like I should go and feel someone to like education. Because I want to go to other people doing expensive services. But I'm like, there's a difference between going and doing expensive services that you quality work.
Mm-hmm.
Quality work. And wanting expensive services where everybody just wants the $10, $20, I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Just like when I was coming up, I'll give you a pedicure.
Here I'm using the Ingrown sidewall cleaner that comes free when you buy the pedicure kit. And with all this deep nail cleaning, she should get great relief from what she thought was an ingrown nail, and I hope you can use the same methods at home if you're unable to find a tech in your area to help you.
That's the problem you always be. And I feel like when I used to go to the shop, they would just keep it inside. But I feel like after it started growing, it's so bad.
Yeah, well, what happens, especially when you have really convex, when it's pinching in at the nail wall or at the sidewalls here, if you cut this out, your skin is going to plop up inside there.
Okay.
And then when your nail starts to grow back, it's going to cut right into that skin. So you got to keep your nail cut back just far enough inside the sidewalls that within 4 weeks it's not going to hurt. You know what I mean? Like you can cut it back a tiny bit, but not a lot. 4 to 6 weeks. I can tell there is a layer of buildup down in this nail groove because of all of the flaky layers I see, and when she comes out of the tub again, you'll see how I remove it. When it comes back out of the tub again, more skin will be able to come out of it too. I'm pretty gentle. It's all about, you know, depth perception and pressure.
But I was wondering that, like, how did she hold the camera?
And then I just go, you know,
We'll do that.
So you're gonna film doing people's hair?
I want to film. I want to do vlogging as well as doing people's hair. And kind of like a day to like, but I want to, and that's what's so hard. I don't want to do one thing on my channel. Like I want to do stuff about my weight loss because I know a lot of people are interested in weight loss. But I watch a lot of weight loss stuff.
I watch weight loss stuff. I love to see before and after transformations of people.
Like I want to do a lot of things on my weight loss journey, and because of my bariatric surgery, I watch a lot of videos and stuff, and then I want to do like different like things like my day in the life of me type stuff, and then also me doing it. But I don't want to just have to always record hair videos because I don't know, and I feel like kind of what you said, like I feel like I want to do it and see what it is that I guess people like, and then I'll kind of give a gauge what it is, you know, it's a good thing for my child.
Right. I want to show you this while you're still talking. You see that?
Yeah.
That's what was stuck underneath there. We were able to remove the layers of excess skin buildup down in the nail grooves using the deep cleaning methods, and hopefully she won't have any more discomfort over the next 4 to 6 weeks between her pedicure. The before and afters are coming up. Cuticle oil, or if you buy the Fisher cream for your heels, you can rub a little bit on the corners. That'll help a lot. Just do that at bedtime because it's white. You don't have to. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.